Continuation on video distress surveys. This is pre-construction, test section 470603. As previously said, I-40 westbound, Madison County, Tennessee. You can look back. This is just past that overpass. They've been reworking on the guardrail. We've offset the section off on the shoulder, out by the fence line, and across the highway with a paint mark on the far shoulder and another stake, all for alignment for 0. Did that on the previous section also and didn't mention it on that video. This test section, similar to the others, a little less cracking. There's a big patch at the end of it. You can see out across the lane here a little bitty spall like pop out, deterioration of the joint sealant. Also still have the polished aggregate, and seems like more obvious map cracking and small pop out pitted areas than the first couple of sections, similar to our last section. Walk through here, we had a couple of joints that were low severity joint seal damage. The majority were medium, had a few highs. See right here down into the joint that it really isn't adhering pretty much at the wheel path and in some other areas. Station 100. See over here on the right side of the road the slower traffic keep right sign. Have chiseled an X on the base. Made a note of that, and that's going to be the temporary benchmark for this test section during construction. It's a station 1 plus 40 plus or minus, and about 21 feet to the right. Here's station 200. Coming up on station 300. See here we have some fatigue cracking up and down in the shoulder. They are going to restore these shoulders. They're going to mill a bunch of area away on majority of them, at least 3 inches, and bring new surface up. Where they're already adding a thick overlay, they may just overlay the existing shoulder. Here's a joint, has a little bit of spalling, but it doesn't amount for 10%. Here's station 400. You see the joint right past that. There is a longitudinal crack. And then the rest of the section is an asphalt patch. In this asphalt patch we have a lot of cracking, spalling showing up from underneath the other concrete. Also have some faulting on the edges where they've tried to patch on top of the patch. So this is definitely a high severity patch. See right here in this area we have some water pumping. Also around this little piece of patch we look like have some base material coming out. There's another chunk missing, some other cracking of the asphalt reflecting through on the joint. This is station 5. Looking down where they sample for this test section and the next. Turn and look back up traffic. Station 500. Back through the patched patch area. This concludes this survey.